I'd like to say well done getting high star ratings for your portable hair wash basin. I know that this is hard to achieve, and saying this is a job well done. By the way, my name is Blair from my Amazon guy, and it's my goal to point out potential opportunities that you may want to consider. First, what I'd like to talk about is traffic and what drives traffic to your listing or keywords. Now, I see that you're organically indexing for 1700, which gets you free traffic, but you're not advertising, and this could mean you're likely leaving money on the table. Running your ads is the best way to grow sales if you know what keywords to target, and this can be done profitably. We usually like to see one paid for two organic keywords, and that's what we call the golden keyword ratio. Now, if you look at how your keywords are performing, it's good that you are ranking first for hair washing station for kids with over 8,000 searches, but you can also advertise for this keyword for better visibility. Now, there's other keywords that you're on higher double, triple digits. That means that you're still buried pages away, and you need to work on your rankings here to get more exposure. If you look at how big your category is, there's over $1.8 million monthly revenue share for hair washing station for kids, and top sellers are getting 31K. It's good that you're able to outsell a lot of competitors. You did 2,100 units sold, generating over 93,000, but we can help you continuously grow this by utilizing your click-through rate and conversion as part of SEO strategy. To help you with your keywords, we can help you with advertising, making sure we're targeting relevant keywords without overspending on ads. And organically, we can help with your like zone keywords or those ranking 20 through 50. These keywords are showing you at bottom part of first page, and our goal is to help you lift them up to single digits for better visibility and traffic. This is our focus in the third phase of our four-phase SEO strategy at my Amazon guy, and we can get you this keyword export for free. You have 79 keywords in strike zone. And now back to your front end listing, the overall look of your listing is what drives conversion. Your title and bullets are the best areas for keyword indexing. I would suggest maximizing your character counts. For the title, you can have up to 200 characters and 250 to 500 characters per bullet. Finding SEO. You also have to update them regularly as SEO is not set and forget. With your images, I also like that you've added some really good ones here, including lifestyle photos and demographics. You've got videos to add credibility to your listing. You also have very nice main image, though we can add more CTR hacks to make it more enticing and to invite more clicks. Scrolling down, I also see your brand A plus content. Well, it's good to see good, high quality photos here with lifestyle images. You also have crawlable text, but make sure that they're maximized to 500 to 1,000 words of copy. We can load highly relevant keywords to this. I can see that we can improve your A plus content. We can add more modules and improve your graphics and design. Also, we can have a brand story. That's one more module that you're still missing out on. And let me show you a good example of a well optimized one. This is Age of Sage, one of our works at my Amazon guy. You see they've got good images and copies. And scrolling down, we can see an A plus content under product description where you can add lots of great enticing images, videos, and crawlable text. 500 to 1,000 words of copy to load with highly relevant keywords to help you not just with conversion but also with keyword indexing and advertising. You can have your product grid for product comparison and up to 7 modules here. You can also add a brand story from the brand where you can talk about your brand to increase your brand awareness and also showcase other products with their clickable links to increase your average order value while pushing down competitors showing up on your listing. And we highly recommend that you take advantage of all these features. You can also have alt text behind the images for common misspellings and Spanish keywords, which can be maximized to up to 100 characters per image. Those are just a few tips. And if you want to learn more, take advantage of our free consultation. Just click the book a call button at the end of the video or the link in my email. Then choose your best schedule to speak with our Amazon expert for free. Learn more of our services and get your personalized quote aligned with your goals and budget. My Amazon guy is a full service digital marketing agency managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across all pillars of Amazon: PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. So, whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to show you more opportunities. Have a good one.